St. Thomas is no longer the forgotten parish. Those words were spoken by Prime Minister Dr. Holness during the official opening of the $6 billion Morant Bay Urban Centre on Thursday. The event marks the completion of a project nearly 6 years in the making, situated on the 25-acre site once home to the old Goodyear factory. The project has been spearheaded by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation through the Factories Corporation of Jamaica and contractors China Harbour Engineering Company. Dr. Holness says more than $32 billion was spent to improve access in the parish through road infrastructure and other projects.
And it wasn't just roads. We also put in water, we put in sewage, and we also laid the conduits and cables for broadband internet to come to this parish.
Symbolic keys were presented to representatives from various government bodies and private sector entities that will occupy spaces, including a KFC restaurant, which will be the first for the parish. The Prime Minister notes that there are plans to expand the offerings at the centre.
We're going to do another extension of 10 acres of new buildings for micro and small businesses in St. Thomas, right here, right on this centre.
The urban centre will host government agencies such as the Heart NSTA Trust, the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, Child Protection and Family Services Agency, National Housing Trust, National Water Commission, and the Jamaica Information Service. Some private companies that will be located at the commercial unit of the centre are Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, Stationery World, Ribby's Lounge, Devon House, Express Fitness, and Knoxford Express. Plans are afoot to execute more developments in St. Thomas. Speaking at the official ribbon-cutting ceremony for the new Morant Bay Urban Centre, Prime Minister Dr. Holness shared plans for several major projects, including a multi-purpose entertainment and sports facility near the urban centre.
We have 13.5 acres of land in proximity to this development. And I want you to look out for it, because I intend to come to the first festival or stage show that is kept there, when Gramps and the Morgan family is performing, when Popcorn, as Prime Minister, of course. What do you think?
The Prime Minister emphasized that the $6 billion urban centre is a key part of the government's vision to position St. Thomas at the forefront of new developments across Jamaica.
This development is not only going on in St. Thomas. We have already started the Boundbrook Urban Centre. So the people of Portland will be experiencing this kind of joy to see the restructuring and redevelopment of their parish, to see the creation of a new economy in their parish.
Reggae artist Gramps Morgan, who hails from St. Thomas, also expressed his appreciation for the development, calling it a long-awaited step forward for the parish.